Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build threat modeling techniques with Microsoft detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the purpose of threat modeling. Threat modeling helps identify potential security vulnerabilities in your systems. Familiarize yourself with Microsoft's threat modeling framework. Start by gathering your project requirements and identifying key assets. Map out the architecture of your system, including data flows. Utilize the Microsoft Threat Modeling tool to create a visual representation. Define security boundaries to highlight areas within the system. Identify potential threats using the STRIDE methodology. Classify threats based on their impact and likelihood. Assess existing security controls and evaluate their effectiveness. Document each identified threat and corresponding mitigation strategies. Create a prioritized action plan for addressing high-risk vulnerabilities. Incorporate feedback from stakeholders and team members throughout the process. Review and update your threat model regularly as the project evolves. Train your team on threat modeling techniques to foster a security-first mindset. Integrate threat modeling into your development lifecycle for continual improvement. Utilize Microsoft's resources and guidelines to refine your threat modeling efforts. Share your findings with the relevant teams to enhance overall security posture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.